Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, one second. Can you see it? Yeah, what now? Hi. Yeah, I have a total of 11 years of experience in IT. I have worked on various technologies like .NET, C Sharp, ASP.NET MVC, Web API, Angular, SQL Server, and Azure as well. My previous company was Horizontal Integrations India Private Limited, where I have worked on a project named Sesame. Uh, this project is for the client Newmark. It is for the internal usage of the client. Newmark is a real estate company, so to to manage their businesses, they use this application. We have used Angular as a front end, Web API as a back end, and SQL Server as a database. And we have used Azure Web Services in our application as well. I have been involved in the development of this application where I used to interact with the stakeholders, gather the requirements from them. I developed those requirements, and I have test those requirements, and I used to deploy them. Before working at Horizontal Integrations, I worked at Scientific Global, Wipro, Rain India Tax Service Private Limited, Sewing Software Solution, and Excelca Software Solution. Before starting my career, I have did my MS in University of Bedfordshire and BTech from JNTU. This is mostly about the recent project name is Sesame. The latest technologies are Angular with .NET Core Web API, SQL Server, and various Azure services like Azure DevOps, Azure App Services, Azure Logic Apps, Azure SQL, Azure Active Directory, and Azure Key Vault. We have used it in our application. I can rate myself 7 out of 10. Uh, we have encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. In encapsulation, we will bind multiple data into a single thing and we will provide it to the user and use it. For abstraction, we will be hiding necessary details from the end user. We will only display the required data to the end user. In inheritance is like a parent and child relationship where we can use sub, subsets from the base class in the child class. In polymorphism, it states that we can use a method in multiple ways. So we can have uh, in a single class we can have a same method name but different parameters, or we can have different classes where we can have a same method name with the same parameters. This is how the polymorphism works. Excuse me. Inheritance is like a parent and child relationship. We can call any base class properties or methods inside the child class and we can use it. Uh, Multi-level, multiple, hierarchical, single. In single, we can have like a base class, and inside that we can call multiple parent classes. We can have a base class where we can call multiple child classes inside it. Hmm? Uh, it uses interfaces mostly. Yeah, for the classes, we will declare the interfaces. Uh, the framework don't support that. It will trigger exception errors. No, no, I have don't have that in-depth knowledge. So we have signatures right for these classes inheritance, and through this it will support. Mm. Yeah, we can assign it to this object. So if by using this I class A dot display and I class B dot display, we can do that. We are using we are specifying which interface this method is coming, right? Mm. Yes, it will. So this is how they distinguish. Mm. Yes. Yeah, it will. We have the same method signature in both the interfaces, right? It will be polymorphism. I didn't say it. We haven't discussed about polymorphism. Yes, I explained it. In different interfaces, we can have same method name. Yes, same method name. So because we are not specifying from which interface it is getting, right, that's why it will throw error. Delegates is like a pointer. We can point to from one method to the other method, and we can execute the other method. Yeah, I'm writing that. I don't remember exactly. Sorry. Yeah, we can use a delegate keyword, and we can map that method of that particular method, and we can call it. Mm, yes, it can. In abstract class, we can have partial and private, but interface we can have only public methods and classes. And interface is performance wise slower. Abstract class is faster in performance. So if you have to use a method multiple times in your application, so you can go for a interface. Uh, if there is no specific, you just need to write a business logic and use it. You can go for abstract class. In abstract class, yeah, abstract class can be the signature of the interface. So we can use it for dependency injection. So if we create an abstract class, we can create the interface for that abstract class, and we can use it for dependency injection. It is a design principle we can use for reusability of the code. Uh, if we have created the interfaces, right, we can declare it globally, and like in middleware program.cs file. and we can call that those interface anywhere in the application easily. I have like 5 years. I have worked on 4 and 6. Okay, 5. Yeah, 5 and 6. Sorry. Uh, we use them in middleware pipelines. App dot run means we will call the other middleware, and app dot use means we will be executing that middleware. Uh, it is in a run means it will be terminating the previous middleware which is executing. In a use means it will be triggering the execution of a middleware. Uh, Singleton means it will be once it is instantiated, any method can in the application can use that interface. If it is transient means only if a particular user can has instantiated it, any method of that particular user he can use it. Transient means, sorry, scoped means it will be instantiated and only that particular method can be used. Web API and MVC I have like 6 years. Content negotiation is used to declare the type of the web API result. The result is in web API will be specified in the method in the controller method itself. So whatever the result will be. Yes. When we are declaring the method itself, we will provide it. Media type. It is used for reading files like text files or videos. Like that. Filter. It is just like global usage of usage of methods. We have authentication filter, authorization filter, action filter, result filter, and exception filter. Uh, First will be the authentication, then it will be authorization, then it will be action filter, and then it will be exception filter, and then it will be result filter. If any error occurred, it will capture it. That's all. So using a throw, it will capture the exception error and it will pass to the exception filter, and it will uh, log it into the log file, or we can it may trigger the email as per the requirement. Uh, Throw will show entire detail of the exception. Throw X will show only the summary of the exception. Finally, black will capture the exception and it will where it will pass it to the exception filter. No, catch method will capture it, and if it is passed that exception is passed to the final. Catch is mandatory. Hmm. Uh, where multiple catch box is there when they in whichever catch block has the error message, error is occurring, it will capture it and it will throw the error. Uh, there are multiple ways we can provide that. We can declare that exception type for each cache block, and it will whatever error occurs, then that cache block only capture that type of exception error, and it will trigger. View bag is type safe. View data is not a type safe. Temp data is for temporary storage. The data will disappear after it is usage. Yeah, view bag and view data. We can pass data from the controller to the view. In a temp data, we can pass the data from controller to the controller or methods. Yeah, you can use temp data, and we can use keep keyword in the temp data, and we can use it. Keep is used for storage of that storage of data in the temp data. Keep method, I have no idea about keep method. Yes, I did. I used code first approach. So we will be declaring the data sets, models in models, and we will be calling them into the DB context, and then we will be uh, creating the we will be having this connection string, right, and then we will use PowerShell to write immigration commands, and then the database will be created. uh, Immigration dash h create. We have this migration folder, right, where we will be storing the migration history. We can delete it. If you want to delete in the database, we can directly delete it from the database itself. And a code first approach, we can have a C sharp language to create the tables and everything. But in database first approach, to delete the table, we can just delete that model, and we can update it. We can just type immigration slash h update. It will get updated. Yes, I did. Uh, in iQueryable, the data gets filtered in the database, and you can get the result. In iNumerable, it will fetch the entire data, and you have to filter it in the application. They both belong to different libraries. System.iQueryable for iQueryable, and system.iNumerable for iNumerable. Uh, no, I don't. We don't have it. Uh, I don't remember exactly. Sorry. Yes, list and listing we can have multiple columns, a list of data. But in array list, it is similar to an array. We can have different data types, and it is expandable. Yeah, in list, right, we can have different rows, but we in array list we don't have rows, right? We can have only it's like an array. Uh, in list, we can use it for fetching the data from the database, but in array list, we cannot. SQL, we have 7 years of experience. Excuse me. Constraint. It is used for removing duplicate values. In the query, if you are having any duplicate rows, using that we can constraint, we can delete it. Name. I didn't get you. I don't remember exactly. So it will take the first. It will take the top five salary, and it will be assign it in ascending order, and then it will take the top value. Sorry, we can will start. We can use. For assigning the salary in assigning order, so we can assigning order. There is a key, but I'm not sure. AC. Yes, if yes, we are taking the top five only, right? Then we will be coming. Have, 600, 700. Okay. Yeah, it should be descending order. Nothing from. Thank you.